Canon Rangefinder camera with a Leica 50mm lens. Have you ever wondered what photographers used before digital cameras? This beautiful Canon Rangefinder is a true classic from the golden age of film photography. What makes this camera even more special is the legendary Leica 50mm lens mounted on it. Known for its incredible sharpness, beautiful colors, and smooth background blur, this lens has earned a legendary reputation among photographers and collectors. Unlike modern autofocus cameras, every shot on this camera is focused manually. That means every photo requires patience, skill, and precision. But that's exactly what makes shooting with it such a rewarding experience. Even after decades, this vintage combination continues to produce stunning images with a timeless film look that many photographers still love today. If you enjoy rare cameras, vintage photography, and legendary lenses, this Canon Rangefinder with a Leica 50mm lens is truly a masterpiece worth appreciating.